Hello guys, Pranith here from Team Entity. Welcome to our presentation. In this hackathon, we built a website named Vote with the help of which elections can be conducted safely during pandemic. Voters with a mobile or a PC and internet connection can access their right to vote using our website. For our website to run on your PC, you need XAMPP as we have used MySQL for database and IDE. I have used VS Code here. Let's start the database. Create a database named voting, all small letters, and import the database file which we have included in our GitHub repository. So these are the tables that we have used for our project. Now let's proceed to our side. Open VS Code and type py on your terminal. Press Ctrl and click on this. It will take you to our website. So this is the landing page of website. This carousel will be updated every time an admin adds a candidate. This form can be used to ask your queries regarding our website. It sends an email to me with the help of which I can get back to you later. The about section shows all the details on how you can communicate with our website, each the user and the admin. Candidates page show all the candidates that are contesting in the elections. If you press vote here, it won't allow you as you are not logged in as a user. So let's see what the admin can do on our website. So first, the admin has to sign up using a secret key which will be provided by the company that is handling the website. So here it's you are admin, all caps. So these are the rules to be followed when you are giving any passwords on our website. So and registration successful, and login. Submit and login successful. So this is the admin dashboard where admin can edit his profile. He can change his name. He can change his email. So if you want, I can show you. 3 update. So if you update your profile, you will be logged out and asked to log in again. So while logging in, if you have forgot your website password, you can reset it by just stating your email. We can improve on this. So yes, this is one of the future scope of our. So login. So yes, we are into it, and you can even change password. So the admin can add a candidate using this form. So let's add. So team one, vote for me. So no two candidates can have the same name that we have set up. Candidate added successfully. So you can check that when he's added, carousel gets updated. See here, team one, I vote for me. So you can even update, like the admin can even update. So team will be 1-1. Me previously added image was candidate 1, either choose the same image or a different one if you want to vote. Just the information to the admin and update. Updated successfully. You can even delete him. Yes. Then if he goes to candidate and if admin tries to vote, so it is not allowed. Yeah, that's it, what the admin can do. And finally, the most important, view results. Here you can see the results and the winner. If there is a tie, both the names will be mentioned here. So that's it with the admin part. Now let's see for the user. User can sign up using this form. So since only 18 above are allowed to vote, the calendar is set to 2003, and like the present above 18 people birth dates is only allowed to be chosen. Random photo. Both in the case of user and the admin, similar names can be possible because there are people with the same names, but same email ID is not allowed. So unique email IDs have to be entered. And this will be the login details. Same rules for password is applied here. Yes, and register. So registration successful. User demo. So let me show you the forgot password thing. So here he has to enter his username and email, which he has used while registering, and reset. If they are same, he will be taken to the next one where he can reset his password. I'll give at 3 instead of 3 at 3. That time it was 3 at. Okay, reset. Unsuccessful. Let's log in. At 3. Submit. And successful logged in. So user can, the main point of the voter or the user is to vote. So on the candidates page, he can see all the candidates contesting in these elections, and to vote he has to just press on the vote button. Voted successful, and again if he visits candidate vote, he won't be allowed and the vote button will be disabled. So he even here the user can update his profile. Yes, pretty much that. Since we are updating the username too, if like there is an option to update the username too, when you press the update button, you will be logged out and asked to log in again. Demo. Yes. And you can even change the password, and that's it, and log out. So this was the website. Now let's look into our source code, and I'll explain a bit of our code. We have used Flask for our backend. So these are all the libraries that we have used. This is used for database connections. These are the routes. Like when this is concatenated to the URL, this function will be executed. So and so. We have used cursors for like for connecting to the database and fetching data from the database. And we have used sessions. This is the code used to verify the passwords. We have used SHA-256 method to hash and store our passwords. The SQL commands. So this is to check whether if the candidates have the similar name. So if it is none only, then it is allowed. If the name already exists, it will flash a warning that name is already used. Even while updating, everything is checked. The name, see, you can check it here, name data. Like if the ID of the candidate that we are updating and the name is similar and the name has the same ID, then it is allowed, or else it is not allowed. Even while updating the profile of the voter too, same name, same email ID is not allowed in this case. And username, yes, while login in, username should be unique, not the name but the username. Even while changing passwords, the rules are followed. Yes, pretty much that. There are few things which we can improve. One is we can use Google login to speed up the registration process, and the change password thing. We can send a email confirmation to the user's email so that he can confirm, and later he's given the option to change the password. And yes, this is a pretty user-friendly website. Anyone with basic knowledge can make use of it. And yes, thanks for watching.